More than 80% of organizations that lose important data never recover, and they go out of business. An organization without a backup and disaster recovery plan is just asking to be a statistic. Could your business operate if you lost everything? The information you store in your computers and networks is threatened by viruses, hackers, and natural disasters on a daily basis. Disasters can be as simple as a power outage or a dropped laptop that wipes out the hard drive, or as intense as a storm or fire that completely wipes out your building. Backing up your data is an insurance plan against loss. It ensures you will have access to your information even if your computers are damaged beyond repair. But without a disaster recovery plan, you probably won't be able to recover from data loss. You need a solution for managing your risk and ensuring business continuity after files are deleted or ruined. The right backup and disaster recovery plan will keep your business operating and making money even in the middle of a disaster. To learn how our company will protect your data and ensure your business continuity after disaster, request a free consultation.